Some mushrooms. Double boop. I wonder, oh golly, here we go again. This is the problem with having service on the trail. Like, we're not on social media or anything, but like, it's just so easy to look stuff up. I am still trying to enjoy the nature, guys, I promise. But like, I don't know anything, and we've talked about this before.